Welcome back, lovies. Thank you for visiting. So for today's video is another sexy panty lingerie. So if you are interested, please like and subscribe. So lovies, we got another sexy panty out here. Very nice, very silky lace design panty. As you can see, it is in color blue. I love this very conservative cut, but still this is very sexy. Look at that. It's like a peacock wings, or I don't know. It's just I can see a peacock wings or a bird wings right here. And look at that very nice lace, very smooth and silky lace, see-through, that you're going to love every detail of this panty. Look at that, and this part right here. Oh, very nice. So this is the back, and the front is with the same. The back and the front had the same design. Conservative cut, but still sexy because of its see-throughness. This is so very affordable, but look at that very nice lace material. You cannot say that this is an affordable panty because of its good quality, even though it is affordable. So this part right there is very good. It has a cotton top over here in a private area. I love wearing this. I'm panty, very comfortable. Indeed, very nice. Thumbs up. This is available on Shopee. I bought it on Shopee. Very affordable. Very blue. Sexy. So this is panty. Both of those videos. Hope you like it. Please subscribe for more comfortable. We have a try on later. So are you excited to have a try on our very sexy lingerie? So subscribe more and more so that you can see this try on of our sexy lingerie. So thank you for watching. See you sa ating next Funky Haul. Bye!